In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pass AI detection on your article. And for this, we shall use another AI tool to rewrite our article so that it sounds human-like. I asked ChatGPT to write for me top 7 technologies of the future. And this is the article that ChatGPT has written for me. If I go ahead and copy this text and test it for AI, I'll use GPT-0 to test for AI. So let's go paste our article in GPT-0, and GPT-0 will try to answer the question whether this article was written by AI or human. So let's paste the article here and scan for any detection. And that just takes a minute, and we have the result. And here's the result, that this article has been 100% probably written by AI. And other probability breakdowns is the probability that the article was written by human is 0, and the probability that the article was partly written by human and partly by AI is also 0, and the probability that the article was written purely by AI tool is 100%. We want now to use the same article, rewrite it using another AI tool, and then see if it will pass this detection. So to do this, we are going to use a tool called Humanize AI.pro. Just go to www.humanizeai.pro. You don't even have to sign in. What you only need to do is to take your article and paste it here. And once you have pasted it here, you will click on Humanize, and then you will get a final copy that has been paraphrased and sounds human-like. And see if this article will pass the AI detection. So I'll paste the same article here and then click on Humanize. And it is done. Now here is our final results. So now look at our final article that we have just pasted here. The probability that the article has been written by AI completely, it is now 42%, and this is up from 100% to 42% now. If we go to breakdown, you can see the human input has been detected as 58%, while AI contribution is 42%. This is a good result that can help you pass AI detection for the article as having been written by AI 100%. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.